Nebulae are vast, interstellar clouds of gas and dust in space, which are the birthplaces of stars and planetary systems. They can also be remnants of dead or dying stars. The term nebula comes from the Latin word for cloud, and these formations can take on various shapes, sizes, and colors. There are several types of nebulae, including emission nebulae, reflection nebulae, dark nebulae, planetary nebulae, and supernova remnants. Emission nebulae are clouds of ionized gas that emit light. Dark nebulae are dense clouds that block light from objects behind them, while planetary nebulae are shells of gas and dust ejected by certain stars during their evolution. Supernova remnants can also be formed from massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. Nebulae play a crucial role in the life cycle of galaxies, as they are the regions where new stars are born. Gravity causes the material within a nebula to clump together, leading to the formation of stars and planetary systems.